Hello everyone, how are you all? I am start newspaper article reading and let's nuclear power is key to development, say study. India must prioritize investment in the energy sector and expand related infrastructure if it is to be on track to become development nation by 2047 and achieve net zero by 2070, says IIMA report. For India to be developed country by 2047 and be on track to achieve net zero on efficiently zero carbon dioxide emphasized by 2070. If must significantly prioritize investment in nuclear energy and expand related infrastructure, says a study by uh, Admise Admise at the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. The result of the study, funded by the Office of the Principal Significant Advisor and the Nuclear Power Corporation of India, were made public on Wednesday. Currently, nuclear energy make up only 1.6 of India's energy mix. The report postul- postulates several scornation scores. These are a high, medium, and low economic growth scenario as well as for situ- situa- situation where these is a trust on nuclear energy and another with with a trust on expanding false use along with employing carbon capture and strong a third with the emphasis on renewable energy, solar, wind, and finally one that combine all of these. The another used mathematical model to estimate with prioritize of various source of energy would be required by 2030 and 2050 to achieve at at an ideal scenario of net zero emphasize net zero emission by 2070. This was future tempered by scenario of India population achieving a human development index like Western European countries and the price of access to energy going down. The best care third calculation showed were emphasized were emission in 2070 fell to 0.55 billion ton of carbon dioxide. Net zero scenario that translated to nuclear power rising fivefold from today level to 30 gigawatt by 2030 and 265 gigawatt by 2050. To put in pre perspective, it means nuclear power carbonation contribution 4% of India total energy by 2030 and sharply rising to 30% of 2050. In the same scenario, the share of so, so, solar power falls from 42% in 2030 to 30% in 2050. Uranium availability. Currently, figure from the Central Electricity Authority says solar energy accountant accounts for 16% of India's instant installed generation capacity and coal 49. To achieve these idealistic figure for nuclear energy would require a doubling of investment as well as the as- assumption that uranium a central fuel but restricted by international embargo in available in necessary quantities. The another led by Amit Garg, professor IIM Ahmedabad, said at the press conference that there was no silver belt to achieve net zero and may right take knowledge needed to consist in India energy basket. Coal would likely be the backbone of India energy system, and if the country has to phase down coal in the next 3 decades, it would need to build adequate infrastructure and alternative sources such as nuclear power in addition of flexible grid in fast fast require and strong to support and integration of renewable energy. Overall, India would need close to 150 to 200 lakh crore between 2020 to 2070 to finance these transactions at report.